You're watching how Leap lets remove a person from a photo on your iPhone. Use the built-in object removal feature in iOS. Open the Photos app and select the photo with the person. Tap Edit in the top right. Look for the markup tool at the top, which looks like a pen tip. Tap it. Now tap the plus icon and select Add Shape. Choose this solid square or circle. Drag and resize the shape to completely cover the person you want to remove. Tap the color picker and use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from the background area right next to the person. This helps the shape blend in. Tap Done to save. For a better result, use a dedicated app like Tuck Retouch from the App Store. It has a quick brush tool to paint over the person and a clone stamp to copy nearby pixels for a seamless removal. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.